that they said that she was agent of Nigeria. This from Akparawa. Then Buhari government, agent of Nigerian government, Buhari government. People saw visions from their toilets and bedrooms. Today, this is the same Ngozi Orabueze, chief of staff of Biafran government in Israel, going for a world-class peace summit for us. Similar to me from on a mellow right? That kind of thing. He was then celebrating her. She was extraordinarily beautiful. Are you getting the point? All of a sudden, because you have been told that the cabinet had been reshuffled, it happened that that announcement came from COS. Therefore, automatically, that thing they told you in 2013 become real instantly. And not only that, she's now a Fulani. All of a sudden, the same thing with the Remages. Ngozi Orabueze was so nice, so she was a lioness, right? They called her lioness, and she's this, she's that. She's so beautiful, she's so eloquent, she's so smart, everything perfect. None, like he said in the audio that you listened, that she was donating heavily. According to him now, that donation become to buy her way. Do you get the point? Now, immediately you saw that his caterpillar is in communication with somebody, not with CSO. CSO become Nigerian government, she become Nigerian agent. This is the post, like I said, from Akparawa. You know, he made the post then. Look at the post here. This is exactly the post that Marvelous talked about. And when you read it, like I said, you can understand everything. Let me read it again so you understand it properly. Because he said, when we started, they said that this extra beautiful chief of staff of Biafran government in Israel was agent of Nigerian Buhari's government. People saw vision from their toilets and bedrooms. Today, this is the same Ngozi Orabueze, chief of staff of Biafran government in Israel, going for a world-class peace summit for us. The celebration is second to none. Look at it here. Internet never forgets. Like I said, all of a sudden, the table turned simply because that thing that he wants to gain or he's gaining has been shifted. He couldn't bear it. Let us tear it apart. Meaning that they are the same thing, just like what is the name of Ike Guragu said, that instead of PM to get Biafra, he will scatter everything. That drama said that instead of PM not to get Biafra, that she will turn Sabo. This is their mentality. Because to them, they believe that, like Adarama believe that with PM, she will have hope. Something somehow we get to her in the Biafra movement and everything. So that's the mentality. That's the mentality, and that you cannot use to deceive anybody. Please like the video if you are just coming, because I noticed that most of you are just joining us. Just like the video, and the number has been pinned. If you want to call and contribute, I pinned the number. So we are going to move to another thing. Let me bring this to you. Let us hear from him. I don't know. Please like the video. Yeah, please like the video. Very, very important. Like the video. This is a post made by Ogengre. This lady called Ifi. They are the one recruiting everything.
Get this information. Open your.
Just a moment. Okay, let us hear him again, so you will understand their own job now.